Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. Today we're going to do a quick demo of a JT5WL1000, a mini wheel loader with 1000 kilograms lifting force. It is about 2200 pounds, and also this model has a telescopic boom. This wheel loader comes standard with a digging bucket like this one you see here. Also we have a hydraulic quick hitch that will be able to take off and put on the bucket with ease without the need of having to get out of the wheel loader itself. Behind the bucket we see our quick hitch. If you can please show from the top, you'll see a hydraulic cylinder that will pull in and pull out to lock the bucket in place. Here we can see that the bucket is locked as this pin is visible. Later in the video we'll show you how it actually works. Also we have our auxiliary hydraulic connectors on each side. So if you need to connect anything hydraulic, this is where you plug in your hoses. And in order to switch the controls between the hydraulic quick hitch or the auxiliaries, here we have the levers. You would just flip it up and this will go towards your hydraulic auxiliary, or if you have it down, now you'll be controlling the quick hitch. Since this wheel loader is equipped with a telescopic boom, here you have your lubrication line and a set of adjustments to control the slack in your telescopic boom. Tire size on this wheel loader is 31 by 15.5 by 15. Over here we have our battery compartment. There are two batteries, one on each side, very easily accessible in case you need to change it out. This machine is equipped on door on each side, and each door has a latch, so you'll be able to secure it open if you want to when you work. Like this, it's now stays in place, and then if you need to unlatch it, you just push the button over here. Another neat thing is that even the hinge has a grease nipple on top. In the back we have our engine compartment. The lid can be easily lifted up, and the lift is assisted with the pneumatic cylinder. Over here you will find the Kubota D1703 diesel engine. As one of the upgrade options, a hitch can be added on right at the factory. Over here you see a hitch with a 2-inch ball that was installed. As on the other side, you can find the door latch, a second battery compartment, holds in place. Here you can find the hydraulic cylinder that's responsible for the turning of the machine and our joint. Also, it has road lights, turn signals, and the mirrors. Now let's take a look inside. First, you'll see your battery switch, your high and low gear selector. On the steering column we can see our selector for the high and low beams as well as turn signals. Here we have a box for the fuses and your adjustment of the steering column. Moving forward in the cab, you can see a joystick which will control your boom, two levers for the boom extension and the auxiliary hydraulic, your fire extinguisher, your rear view camera. On the right side we have our parking brake, our heater, switches for the lights, for the heat, windshield wipers, and your hazard lights. Also, if you look on top, you will have your cabin light, radio, speakers, and a fan. Now let's start the wheel loader. joystick, we have our gear shift. When you press the brake and push it forward, it will move forward. Middle position is neutral. And you press it down, it will reverse. Also, the cluster panel will show you the gear shifts. Pulling the joystick towards you will lift the boom. Pulling joystick forward will lower the boom. Left and right will curl. Lever closer to the joystick is responsible for telescopic boom. When you pull towards its view, you pull the boom in as well. Now let's start driving the machine. So first we'll press the brake pedal, select the forward gear, and use the gas pedal to drive. If we want to reverse, we'll press the brake pedal, select the rear gear, and drive. And then we can see the rear camera. To select the high gear, we'll first go to neutral, and then this lever will pull it back. Now we can turn on the forward, and we can drive faster. It also has high gear and reverse. Let's drop the bucket. We lower it first, then we're gonna disengage the quick hitch, and now we're just gonna curl. That easy. And just drive back. Here's how hydraulic quick hitch works. It's engaged, disengaged. Engage, disengaged. Now let's put back the bucket. we engage the quick hitch. And the bucket is on. Now let's check out our boom. Here's a telescopic extension. If you're going to have any questions about wheel loaders, skid steers, excavators, drum compactors, visit JoyT5.com for more information. And as always, like and subscribe our videos. Thank you for watching.